Alright, now hold up, y'all. Before we dive too deep in this thing, let me hit y'all with some real talk. Now listen up close. This video right here is for educational purposes only, you feel me? If you out here trying to get that license, you still gotta crack open that DMV book, learn them rules, and memorize them signs. No shortcuts when it comes to knowing what's going down on the road. Now, if you wanna roll with this smooth setup, here's what you're gonna need. First off, you gotta have that smartphone, baby. No flip phones, we talking that good tech. And you're gonna need the ChatGPT app, of course. But yo, that ain't the whole game right there. And here's the key. You're gonna need that $20 ChatGPT Plus subscription, you feel me? Why? Because we want that GPT 4.0 model, big boy tech, real-time picture taking abilities. That means when you out here trying to ace them questions, you can snap pics of them DMV test questions, and ChatGPT got your back, answering them like a champ. Easy peasy, just like that. So for this to work, you gotta invest a little something, but trust me, it's worth it. That GPT 4.0 model, game changer. It's like having the answers to the test ride and shotgun with you, no stress. So grab that subscription, fire up your phone, and we gonna cruise through that DMV test like we was born for it. Alright, so check it now that we're ready to roll. Let me show you exactly how we do this, step by step. First things first, crack open that ChatGPT app on your phone. But yo, this is key. You wanna make sure you got that 4.0 model selected, you dig? That's the one that's gonna let you take pictures and get those real-time answers, so don't sleep on that. Now here's a little pro tip for you. When you're setting up to take those pictures, make sure your phone is positioned below the center horizontal line of your laptop screen. This part's real important, G. You don't want your phone popping up in the camera view when you're taking the test, otherwise you risk failing. And we don't want that, right? Keep it low-key, smooth, and out of sight. Once you got that set up and you're ready to go, here's the move. Snap a picture of the question. Make sure the whole question fits in the shot, all right? That means the question and all the answer options. No cutting corners. We want everything in the frame so ChatGPT can do its thing. Next, hop into the chat. Now here's where you can get creative, G. When you prompt ChatGPT, tell it exactly how you want those answers back. For example, say you're going to be taking a few pictures of test questions with answer options and you just need the correct answer for each one. Keep it simple, straight to the point, and then go ahead and send that. Boom. That's it. Snap, prompt, and let ChatGPT handle the rest. Easy as that, baby. Now let's see those results roll in. Aight fam, so that's how you do it when it's time for the actual test. Remember, on The Real Deal, you're only gonna get one question at a time, so no rush, just take it easy. And like I said before, make sure you test this method with your webcam first so you know exactly how to position that phone right. Don't let it slip into the camera's view. We want to keep things smooth, low-key, and legit, you feel me? Now, if ChatGPT happens to throw an error or doesn't catch one of your questions right, don't trip. Just resend it and it should work fine the second time. Sometimes it be like that, but we keep it moving. And that's all for today, folks. Good luck on your driving test, and I hope you ace it just like my man who made this video did when he ran through it. Keep it cool, stay focused, and may the road rise up to meet you, baby. Peace out and stay smooth. And yo, before you bounce, drop a comment below and let me know if you passed your test using this method. I want to hear about all the wins out there, fam. Share your story and let's celebrate together.